Hey, what's going on guys? Lima Bean Tech here, and today I want to be showing you guys how to go from Chrome OS, the operating system, from the Samsung Series 3 Chromebook to quote-unquote ChrUbuntu OS, which is the dual boot from Chrome OS to Ubuntu. Now, I'm already assuming that you guys have installed Ubuntu, and if you have not yet, and you're looking to, what you want to do is you can just go and watch this video that I'm going to show you. Scroll over here, and it's by ChrUbuntu. I don't know if I said that right. Nonetheless, this is a very informative video, and shows you how to download everything, and he has some follow-up videos about bug fixes in Ubuntu, like the mousepad and stuff like that. But nonetheless, let's start this up. First, you want to go into Terminal, which is Control-Alt-T, and it'll bring it across. Now, first, obviously, you have to go to Shell like that, and the code you want to enter is sudo, sudo, space, cgpt, space, add, then you want to do a space, a negative lowercase I, space, 6, space, negative capital P, and then you want to do a 5, then negative capital S, 1, then slash dev is for dev, and then slash mmcblk 0. Okay, let me just zoom in. If you guys would like to pause the video now, that'll focus. Yep, you want to pause the video now, and you want to copy that down if you're doing this on your Chromebook. Okay, so let me just zoom back out here. Okay, so we press enter, nothing really happens. It's all good in the hood. Then we'll just close out of Terminal, because we're all done with it. And pretty much what you want to do is just shut down. So I'm just going to go over here and power off. Okay? So once it powers off, we will just power on again. So I'm going to press the power button. You guys know how to turn a Chromebook on. And it's going to say this Chrome OS verification is off. Press space to re-enable. We all know, don't press space because that will ruin everything. Then you want to press Control D, or you can just wait and it'll make this beeping noise. But Control D is a shortcut. Now it's going to run this code. Nothing really important. And it'll load into Ubuntu. Just like that. So that's pretty cool. And of course, if you want to go into Chrome OS back again, and I switch between ChrUbuntu and Chrome OS because on Chrome OS, I watch all my videos on YouTube because I couldn't find a good Flash player for ChrUbuntu. So it's been hard to watch videos. Maybe if you guys do know of any Flash players that I could use, please leave it in the comments. That'd be very helpful. But over here on the taskbar, we got Home folder, Chromium web browser, GIMP image editor, Clips, desktop recorder, and then of course Rhythm box for music. I do most of my stuff on this. Of course, if you guys don't know, if you press the search button, you'll go into this and you can just search from all your apps. So we'll just go to GIMP, and it'll do GIMP. Not most of the actual keys, the top keys, none of those really work. The forward page does not work, neither does the back. Refresh doesn't work. I'm pretty sure the only two are the volumes, all three of them, and the close and minimize window. Those work. I think there are some modifications you can make in the actual keyboard layout to make that work, but I'm not going to show you guys that right now. I think ChrUbuntu has a video on that. But when you do boot into Ubuntu first, the mouse is kind of iffy. It's kind of laggy, but as you can see, mine's perfectly fine right now because I fixed it from a video from ChrUbuntu. Can't say that name. Okay, nonetheless, to get back to Chrome OS, what you want to do is you just want to go into Terminal, Control-Alt-T. Terminal looks different in Ubuntu, and what you want to do is pretty much the same code. Sudo cgpt add negative I 6 negative capital P space 0 not 5, right? Yeah, 0 not 5. And then you want to do, of course, negative S. Everything else is the same. The only difference is the 0 as opposed to the 5. Then you want to do negative S space 1 slash dev slash mmcblk 0. Okay? So it's going to say sudo unable to resolve host localhost .localdomain, and it's going to ask for your password. Let me just move my tripod and zoom in, or a little closer, I guess. If that will focus. Okay, perfect. Or not. Sorry, guys. Okay, so I guess my autofocus isn't working too well, but you guys should probably be able to see that from here. I think that should be fine. It's going to ask for your password, and the default password, if you haven't changed it already, is user. Once you type that in, it's going to just go back to the normal user at localhost, and the little squiggly, then the $sign. So after that, you're done. You just exit out. Then what you want to do is go power down, shut down, and yes, okay. So it's going to run some little code like that. And shut down. Then you want to press the power button. You guys know the dealio. And Chrome OS verification is off. Control D. And we're booting into Chrome OS. That's as simple as it is. And that's going to be it for this video tutorial, I guess. And how to go from Chrome OS to ChrUbuntu and back. Fairly easy once you have downloaded Ubuntu. Thanks for watching, guys. Leave a like if you did enjoy, and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.